Droppers are ideal for treating targeted areas with specific amounts of liquid, but they're not always cosmetic application friendly. It can be difficult to control the amount dispensed and wasteful when the dropper misses its mark. If the user is required to angle their arm to reach or point the dropper to dispense upward, controlling the application becomes both difficult and inefficient. UKPACK's push-button dropper benefits from a highly functional design that makes application simple for the end user. The right amount of formulation is dispensed to ensure perfect product performance in every application. The push-button dropper is available in two options, with either a single or dual button conveniently located on the body of the dropper pack, so that the user's hand is in full control of the pack at every moment. With a single push, essence, serum, eye contour cream, acne treatments, and other liquid cosmetics are dispensed perfectly, exactly where the user chooses and in exactly the right dosage. Comprising just 3 components, the 30ml pack has an ergonomic tube-shaped form and is manufactured from chemically resistant polypropylene and silicone that is easy to style through a 2-tone molding process. Ideal for a range of liquid formulations, the push-button dropper, being easy to use and control, strengthens the user experience with the product, which in turn amplifies the emotional link between the consumer and brand. Set your brand ahead of the competition with UKPACK's user-friendly push-button dropper.